Natural Hair Delights, where you can enjoy rocking your natural hair with all natural ingredients. My name is Brittany Shine, and in today's episode, we are going to talk about hair product labels, okay? So, I order my hair product labels from Avery, and what I do is I go on Canva. If you've ever heard of Canva before, Canva is a beginner-friendly platform where you can design your hair care and skincare labels, okay? So that's where I go to every time. I go to canva.com and I design my hair product labels, and I make sure that I measure the size of the label before I order them, okay? So I'm just going to place this on here. I'm just going to see, okay, I want the middle to be right here, so I'm just going to take this. Okay, I'm just going to show you closer. All right. So you want to take your time. You don't want to rush placing the label on the containers unless you have like a whole bunch of containers that you're trying to sell, but you still don't want to rush the process. You want to take your time as best as you can and just place the label on there. All right, perfect size. And this is the flaxseed gel. So this is what it looks like. I also have the hair growth oil that looks very identical to this product. The only difference is the color on the title. It says Moringa Delight, and as you can see in the picture, it has a different color on the title, but it still looks the exact same. And the size was a little different because when I first ordered the size of the label, it was a 3.25 by 5 inch, but it covered the entire bottle, and you can do that, but I prefer mine to have a little bit of a gap just so that the customers can see what is inside of this container. So just a little teaser. So that is the flaxseed gel. Now for the Moringa Delight hair growth butter, I have ordered matte on accident. I was actually supposed to order gloss material, but I will do that on the next round. But it really doesn't matter which one you decide to order. If you want to use matte material or glossy material, it's still going to look very professional, because when you print it from Canva, you can print it in a PDF format. I believe you can print it in PDF or PNG. I'm not 100% sure. Avery will definitely let you know what they will recommend you print out. So whether it be a PDF or a PNG, you can definitely print that out. And yeah, so one of my customers ordered hair growth butter and flaxseed gel, and so this is what the Moringa Delight looks like. This is matte material, okay? Still looks really nice, very professional. However, it is not waterproof, which means that you can possibly run the risk of having stains on the label, but just be careful how you apply it to your product. I know for this particular product, it's green. It's a hair growth butter, so it's a green hair growth butter, and so it can easily have stains on the labels, which is why I recommend using a glossy material. But for today, I'm going to use what I have. So this is the first labels that I've ordered from Avery, and this is a glossy material, which is different from the matte material. This gloss material is waterproof, so you don't have to worry about having any stains on the label, I would recommend to use the gloss material if you can. Okay, so now I'm going to place the Moringa Delight Hair Growth Butter label to, so you can see here. Simply place it right here. You definitely want to take your time on this one to make sure that it doesn't come out crooked, because sometimes when you place the label on a product, it can come out a little crooked if you rush the process. Okay, so all right. And so as you can see here, I have the ingredients listed out. I have my scripture here. I have the ingredients. Okay, I have the title of the product. I have the directions. And I also have the caution. So for external use only. I hope this has encouraged you all to make your own product labels if you desire to make hair care or skincare products. You definitely don't want to let anything hold you back. Let the Lord use you, okay? You can do it, okay? You can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. I strongly believe that. So thank you all for watching. I hope that this has blessed you all. If you have liked this video, please give it a like, share, and subscribe to My Natural Hair Delight. And I'm also on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, okay? So check me out. Thank you all for watching. And if you are interested in purchasing one of our hair care products, you can simply go to our website at www.mynaturalhairdelight.com and order your products today, okay? Thank you all for watching. Have a blessed and wonderful day. Bye-bye.